So we shall begin with the exercise problem 1.2, second one, which is an important one. So here you need to check whether the given problems are injective or surjective or both. Okay, so we shall start with the first one, that is a function f from n to n. So domain is also a natural number and the codomain is also a natural number, given by f of x is equal to x square. To check injective, so the rough work here is, that is, first thing is you need to check what is f of x1, and then you need to check what is f of x2, and then you need to put them together, that is f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Then you need to prove that x1 is equal to x2. First thing is f of x1. What does f of x1 gives us? That is nothing but you need to put, instead of x1 x, you need to put x1, that's it. So x1 square, and f of x2 is x2 square. Okay, so putting them together, that is f of x1 is equal to f of x2, and that gives, when LHS are same, RHS will also be equal. Therefore x1 square is equal to x2 square, and what it says, x1 is equal to plus or minus root of x2 square, and you can say that x1 is equal to plus or minus x2, and this says x1 is equal to x2 or x1 is equal to minus x2. And since here the domain and the codomain are considered to be a natural number, we consider this result. Okay, we'll be neglecting this, and you can write it as, since we got the result, since x1 and x2 are natural number, they are always positive, they are always positive, hence x1 is equal to x2, hence it is injective. Okay, so this is how you prove injective. Okay, so here the rough work is not necessary every time, this is only for the knowing purpose, that's it. Okay, now we shall prove onto. Okay, that is nothing but surjective. Okay, now to check surjective, first we shall consider what is f of x, that is given f of x is equal to x square, and here we know that let f of x is equal to y such that y belongs to n. Okay, so here f of x is equal to x square, f of x is equal to y. This is the actual notation of onto. Okay, so compare those two, so you'll get x square is equal to y. Okay, so x is equal to plus or minus root y. So now put any of the natural number, like if if y belongs to natural number, so whatever the x you'll get, that should be a natural number. Okay, so consider any natural number, let, or else you can put y is equal to 2. Okay, if y is equal to 2, what it will be, x is equal to plus or minus root 2, right? So root 2, so x is equal to plus or minus root 2, what you'll get, it will be 1.41. So 1.41, does it belongs to a natural number? Okay, since x is not a natural number, not a natural number, given function is not surjective. Okay, so f is not surjective. So this is how you'll prove the given any of the function is 1, 1 and onto. Okay, please go through this problem once again, you'll get to know. And other 4 remaining problem you can try